Choosing the right mug heat press machine can be tricky. Uneven heating, poor prints, limited compatibility, and complicated controls often ruin your designs. That's where modern sublimation heat press machines stand out. They deliver consistent heat, vibrant transfers, and easy operation for both beginners and professionals. Today, I'll show you the top 5 best mug heat press machines, perfect for DIY gifts, small businesses, or custom printing projects. We researched real user reviews and features to build this list. Check the description for updated prices and links, and subscribe for more reviews. Number 5. SucceBuy 11 to 30 ounce cup tumbler heat press. The SucceBuy 11 to 30 ounce heat press is a versatile option designed for larger mugs and tumblers. Its touchscreen control panel makes temperature and time adjustments simple, even for beginners. Supporting a wide size range, it's ideal for customizing mugs, bottles, and travel tumblers with ease. The heating system provides even heat distribution for consistent sublimation results, ensuring vibrant and long-lasting prints. With automatic operation and a durable build, this machine is perfect for DIY gifts, small businesses, or anyone wanting reliable performance without complexity. Number 4. SHUOHAO 15-in-1 Combo Heat Press Machine. The SHUOHAO 15-in-1 Combo is a multi-function powerhouse built for creators who want flexibility. It supports mugs, caps, t-shirts, bottles, pens, and even shoes, making it ideal for a wide range of projects. With multiple attachments included, switching between tasks is quick and easy. The heat press delivers consistent temperature control for clean, vibrant transfers across different materials. Whether you're starting a small printing business or exploring creative DIY projects, this all-in-one solution offers excellent value and versatility in a single machine. Number 3. SHUOHAO 11-ounce Mug Heat Press Machine. The SHUOHAO 11-ounce mug heat press is a budget-friendly option focused on simplicity and efficiency. Designed specifically for standard 11-ounce mugs, it delivers consistent heat for high-quality sublimation transfers. Its compact design makes it perfect for small workspaces, while the easy controls ensure a smooth learning curve for beginners. Despite its affordable price, it produces sharp, vibrant prints that last. If you're starting a mug printing business or want a dedicated machine for everyday use, this model offers dependable performance at a low cost. Number 2. HTVRONT Auto Tumbler Heat Press Machine. The HTVRONT Auto Tumbler Heat Press stands out with its advanced automatic features and strong safety design. It supports tumblers with diameters between 2.95 and 3.18 inches, ensuring a snug fit for consistent heat transfer. The auto press function reduces manual effort, making it beginner-friendly while maintaining professional-level results. Built with high security protection, it ensures safe operation during long sessions. With even heating and reliable performance, this machine is perfect for both hobbyists and small business owners who want efficiency and precision. Number 1. LZHZXY Mug Oven 360-degree Heat Press Machine. The LZHZXY Mug Oven is the most powerful and unique option on this list. Featuring a 360-degree heating system, it ensures complete and even heat coverage for flawless sublimation results. Its large 16-liter capacity allows you to process multiple mugs or items at once, making it ideal for bulk production. This machine supports various items, like ceramic mugs and water bottles, offering unmatched flexibility. Perfect for serious creators or small businesses, it delivers consistent, high-quality prints with efficient performance every time. If you want vibrant prints, consistent heating, and easy customization, these mug heat press machines are excellent choices. From beginner-friendly options to professional-grade equipment, there's something for every need and budget. Which one fits your setup best? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.